Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Welcome to another session with your Designer by Design. Have you ever wondered how to draw or outline your state or the country you live in? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Here, I have a US state map and I'm going to show you how to draw the state of Texas. I chose Texas as I thought it has a very distinct shape. Okay, first, select the Freeform drawing tool and draw lines along the border of Texas. Don't worry about being it perfect. Just connect the different ends along the border. You see, now I got a rough shape of the state. Okay. To make the original border visible, I am gonna set the shape transparent level to 50%. Alright, before we perfect the border of Texas, I will show you the technique that will be used. I'll show that with this simple picture of a bird. Choose any available basic shape that closely matches the figure. I'm drawing a cross shape and making it transparent enough to see the bird behind. Now, select the shape, go up to the Format tab, select Edit Shape and then Edit Points. PowerPoint now allows to edit not just the endpoints, but you can adjust any points along the line. See here, when I reposition the points, it also provides two handles in white color on both sides of the points. These can be used to adjust the angle or the curve that's needed. Let's take a look again with the bird's tail. Watch how the handles are adjusted to get that shape of the tail end. The angle handles can be extended to any length to get the desired curve accuracy. I'm going to apply the same technique to perfect the border of Texas. Before that, let me convert this cross shape to a bird. I don't want to leave this hanging in there. Okay, let the bird fly and over to Texas. I'm going to use the same technique here. As you see, the border line has a lot of curves to take care of, but with little patience, the points can be repositioned all along the border to exactly match the shape of the state. You can see how I drag a point from the middle of a line and reposition it along the border. Just a few more to go. Okay, it's done now. I'm gonna move this to the new slide so we can paint the flag of Texas. All right. Let me enlarge the shape to fit the slide so I have enough room to work on. Then remove the transparency level and the color. Now I have the state of Texas with just the border. You can design this in 1,000 ways with a bunch of images and text, or paint it with flag of Texas, just like how I'm going to show you. Just a reminder, if you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe to the channel. I'm making 3 copies of the shape to paint the 3 colors on the Texas flag. To start with, draw a rectangle. Select the map first and then the rectangle. Now go up to the Format tab, select Merge Shape and Fragment. This tells PowerPoint to split the shape along the border of the map. Now discard the unwanted piece of the fragment and color the shape with blue. Repeat the same process by drawing another rectangle to cover the lower right of the map. Then fragment the shape, discard the unwanted pieces and color it red. Finally, the star. Draw the star and format it to set equal height and width. Alright, here we go, the state of Texas. Here is another example where I converted a hexagon into the shape of Australia. For more such useful videos, subscribe to my channel, Designer by Design. See you in another video. Bye now.